Hi everyone, my name is Amira Amalia. Me and my little brother are going to show you an amazing experiment about science. It's really simple. So, uh, we'll make a replica if you have a coin, but it dropped into water and you want to get it, but you don't want your hand to be wet. So what you need is some matchsticks. You just gotta stick it there, right in the middle. To stick it, I use some double tape, but you can also use other materials like bubble gum because it'll be easier if you use bubble gum. And what you need to do is just to set it on fire and close it with a glass. It doesn't matter what shape the glass is. See, we have the fire. See, now you can get the coin, and you can see the water is sucked into the glass because of the fire. Ooh. Because the fire has can suck things too. Well, thank you for your attention and goodbye.